Right here, we are going to understand how to use Colab as a tool for our day-to-day programming purpose. The Colab needs one browser, so very user-friendly browser, which I recommend for every one of you is Google Chrome. Right here, you have to simply type collab.research.google.com. Now, after doing that particular thing, if you want to open existing file, okay, you want to open existing file, you have to go to recent. Okay, you have to go to recent, or you can directly type it here. Okay, so I am typing like macal underscore global, and I'm selecting my file. The extension of file is IPB by NB, that is your Python notebook file. So you are selecting that particular file. Now, right here you can see lot many options which are available. So locate in drive, then open in playground mode. Then you have a new notebook. You can open existing one. You can upload from your local drive. Okay. So if you have saved your file on your local drive, then you can upload that particular file with the help of that. You can rename your file, you can move your file, or you can move it to trash. Then you can save the copy of your existing program as a new file. Okay, so new copy you want to save it, then you can save a copy in Drive. So it is just like save as in Microsoft Windows. So when you save any file in Windows, you perform save as an option. Then you have something called as GitHub. This is this is what we are going to learn separately, and we will talk very detail that what is GitHub and what are the other things. Right now, my program is getting saved in a GitHub drive, so don't worry. I'm saving it right there. You have two options. Either you can save in your Google Drive, or you can save it in GitHub Drive. Okay, or in GitHub you can save your programs. Then you have something called as save option, then save and pin version, and version history, and you can download your program as Python program or IP by NV file, and you can print your program. So these are the options which are available. Other than that, you have lot many options right here. Important one is runtime. So you can run your existing program from beginning till end. So you have option of run all. You want to run the program for specific objective. So run before, then you have run after option is there. So from one specific place till end, if you want to till beginning you want to run it, so it will use run before. And if you want to run after that, then from that particular command onwards, everything will be done with the help of that. Then you have something called as option called as change runtime. So down the line, when we will be doing deep learning programming, we will use this change runtime. Right now, my runtime is CPU. Right now, we are using CPU, and later when we will be doing advanced programming, we will use T4 GPU or TPU. Okay, so any one of these we will use and we will utilize in our program. That is used for very high end processing, or when you have something which is very complex in calculations, or complex in what we say, as your data size increases and you have lot many things to do in that. Then command, okay, command palette is there and much more. So overall, right here you have these options which are right there. So when you are writing a program, you have two options. You have option of writing a code. So click on code. it will open a code window, and you want to write anything, you want to write any text in that, so you have a text window. So in text window, you can insert image just like this, what I have inserted right now. So in that you can do lot many things. You can learn gradually about how to use text and other things. So other simple way is just write your program, and it will be as easy like this one. So at place to place, wherever it is required, I have inserted images in that, and apart from that, whatever images and other things are required, I have also added text in my program. I will also insert definitions and other stuff gradually whenever it is required. So this is just an introduction to what is Python, Google Colab, how to use Python in Google Colab. Google Colab is a IDE or web-based IDE that is uh, integrated development environment for your Python programming. It provides you all facilities and everything. There is no additional need of installing libraries or anything like other IDEs. We are required to install libraries in that. So that is all for this particular video, and we will connect in the next video. Thank you very much.